For today's video, it's a special video that I'm collab with my two great friends, Molly and from Art Flashes and Made by Dawn. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So for today's video, it's a little bit different than what we have been doing in the past. I've been doing vlogs. This entire video of vlogs and everything, and in the mix. For today's video, it's a special video that I'm collab with my two great friends, Molly and from Art Flashes and Made by Dawn. We decided to do a collab together of a haunted illustration in the theme of summer. So I kind of came up with this cute concept that's creepy and has ghosts and everything. So I came up with this, and it was very fun, and I just love playing with markers and love, having fun with markers and illustration and all that. But I just want to shout out these two girls, and also one who is Blenda's art channel. They are great artists, and I think you guys should go check them out and everything. We've done several collabs before, so go check that channel and their videos. I'll link everyone's in the video as well. So if you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am Anna from Anna's Drawing Channel, and please go subscribe to them. They're great artists. They're great friends of mine. We chat every day on Instagram and everything, and it's just been a lot of fun. We decided to do this video for Sunday, so it's just been a lot of fun connecting with other artists and building a community. And yeah, so if you're new here, welcome everyone. If you came from their videos, welcome again, and thank you for joining. I do cartoons, drawings, kawaii, creepy stuff, any kinds of art. So if you like what you see here, subscribe to everyone I mentioned in this collab. So don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe down below. You know what to do. Let's get on with the rest of the video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's illustration. I'm going to make this very fast. I'm about to eat breakfast, and I just want to say a quick shout out to my two friends who drew in collab with me, Made by Dawn and Art Flashes, Molly, and go check them out. They do really great art and really great videos, and definitely highly go recommend them. They are great friends of mine. I've been talking to them every day on Instagram, and they are just really fun girls to work with, and they do amazing art, and we just have a community together on YouTube. We've done several collabs before, so go check them out. Also, I want to mention a shout out to Blenda's art channel or page or something like that, but go check her out as well. For today's illustration, we decided to do a spooky theme illustration, like a haunted summer theme for today's video, and I thought I would do a carousel with ghosts and haunted carousel, and I had a lot of fun with the illustration. I like to do creepy art sometimes when I'm in the mood for it and everything, and it's just been really fun coming up with this illustration. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy the spooky music on top of this and enjoy this little different video for today, and I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I do cartoons, creepy art, and cute stuff, unicorns galore and everything. So definitely also go check Molly and Made by Dawn videos as well, and channel. So go check them out as well, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. heart. She's an amazing friend. I talk to her every day, and she's just been really a great person to talk to. She's there for me. I'm there for her.